Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Confirm the screen isn't dimmed by hardware keys, so press FN plus the brightness keys and watch for change. Once done, open the Action Center with Win plus E and use the brightness slider for a fast tweak. If the slider is missing or unresponsive, make sure you're signed in with an admin account and note that some laptops require vendor drivers. Keep going. The next phase checks drivers and settings that commonly block brightness control. You now handle drivers. Press Win plus X, choose Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and Monitors, right-click to update driver. If a recent update broke things, choose Rollback Driver. Once drivers are stable, open Control Panel Power Options, edit your plan, then Advanced Settings to ensure adaptive brightness is off and display dimming is disabled. Make sure vendor utilities like Intel Graphics Command Center or AMD Radeon settings don't override Windows. Adjust or reinstall them if they conflict with the system slider. You finish by applying system updates and restarting. Run Windows Update, then check optional driver updates and reboot to let changes take effect. Next, press Win plus R Type Services. MSC and confirm sensor monitoring service and any display-related services are running. Start or set to automatic if needed. If brightness still fails, reinstall the graphics driver cleanly or use System Restore to step back to a working point. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.